Hello. I'm going to show you two things today with this screencast. One, I'm going to show you how you can easily clean up any of your not mastered lessons. And second, I'm going to show you how you can remove vacation days when you want to actually school over breaks, like for example, this week's MEA. First, let me show you, I'm in the progress, right now, progress tab. And you can see here that this particular student has 1% not mastered in math. You're going to actually click on the course title and it will bring you to a breakdown of that course. Here we can see that the 1% is because 2 lessons were not mastered. So by going to the not mastered tab, you can easily access the lessons and the quizzes to give them another try. I definitely suggest that you review the lesson before you just try taking the quiz again. All right, second, I said I was going to show you how you can remove days off. So what you're going to do is I'm just going to go back to the progress where I started. And under quick links, as you can see, you can go to your student's schedule setup. Once this gets loaded, what we should see is a calendar pops up here. And as you can see, Thursday and Friday of October is MEA break. If you want to take off those 2 days, because maybe you actually do plan on doing school on Thursday and Friday, and you want lessons to appear, you would just click on those 2 days that were highlighted to remove them, and then you would just hit save, and lessons would actually appear for your student on Thursday and Friday. Now, I'm not going to do it for this particular student, so I'm just going to probably restore those 2 days. All right, hope this helps.